Hello everyone in my PopMax team and members of PopMax team out there. This is the latest update from the CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. Magnus has just dropped the latest information on the official Telegram channel of PopMax, and he has delivered that message very clear to everybody. I want you guys to pay attention and listen to him. I'm going to play his video, listen to him. If possible, rewind the video, listen to it again, pause, take it back, watch it 2-3 times to understand what is going on in PopMax with all the latest changes, the Nivex exchange, which is the PopMax blockchain that they have just launched, and the PUSD that people are trying to withdraw just now, and PPT and USDT. Everything that you need to know is in this video that the CMO just released. If you still don't understand what it is saying, please contact me privately if you are in my team. Let me explain it a little bit more to you if this video is not enough.
Hello everyone, Magnus here, and just want to give you the long waiting update of the latest happenings. First of all, I want to say and emphasize a lot, don't be worried, okay? There's a lot of things happening that you need to be understandable, and most of you did not come to the Bali or did not have the possibility to come to Bali, and maybe you didn't get all the information what's going on and happening right now. But first, I can tell you, good news is Pop Chain is live and we are moving forward with crazy speed with onboarding a lot of different projects. All right. In order to do that, we have to do different things to make sure it works how it should work. First of all, you all have seen what happened to the PPT price, and then of course, always when there's a promotion. The promotion makes people, they want to sell the PPT to get the USDT and then put back in because of the promotion. Okay. Secondly, we also went out that the last day for staking 1% 360 is 23rd of September. Everyone is not like you and me, right? So a lot of people then think, oh my goodness, now it's the finish with the company. No, that's definitely not the truth. But here's the thing, it becomes chain reactions because some people sell for profiting or need to put back money in, and then some people see the price start going down, they feel panicking, and then everyone starts to sell. This is called group psychosis. This is actually what happened, and then the company realized, because a lot of people were selling a lot. We're using something called market makers, right, to help to stabilize the price and so on. But they realized there was so much sell pressure these last 2 days, I would say. So they removed the market makers, and then people can buy and sell how they want. And of course, more people sell than buy, and then the price goes down. However, make sure to stick to PPT. Make sure you leave your PPT in your wallet. Don't sell it right now. It's not the right time, because this is just the beginning. All right. Now, also in the second part, you also saw now that you cannot swap your PUSD to PPT in the back office. And this is also part of the strategy that actually was not supposed to come now, but because of the things happened with the price, they decided to push it forward, and hence the bad information, which we are of course very sorry. I try to get the information, most of it comes in Chinese, and then I need to try to convert it and understand it in order to tell you guys. Now, as you can see now, you cannot swap your PUSD in the back office to PPT. But how you can do is actually like this. Right now, you can withdraw your PUSD to Nivex. So if you don't have a Nivex account, make sure to contact your upline, your sponsor, and so on, and they will make sure you get your Nivex account. This is our centralized exchange, and it's a really important part of our future. So all of you need to get a Nivex account, okay? Secondly, you withdraw your funds to Nivex, and I will send you a guide after this video to explain step by step how you do it. But number one, take it easy, no panic. There's no race. There is, it's just give it time, and we will get everything done accordingly. When you then have your PUSD sent to Nivex, here's the current thing what you can do with that funds right now. They're offering you now to buy hash power. And then the question comes, what is hash power? Well, you know, we have just opened our own blockchain, which is Pop Chain. And in order to make the chain work, you need hash power to run all the transactions. Similar to Node, but smaller. So instead of nodes, you can buy hash power, which means you're actually mining POP. So when you buy hash power, you will receive POP tokens accordingly, and then your POP token you can sell for USDT and withdraw to any wallet you want. I don't want to get into any timelines right now, how long it will take from this to this to that. I just give you the information what I received right now. But right now, I see already people managed to transfer funds to Nivex from the PUSD, and they already bought hash power, so it works. Now, there's more information that will come, and I will try to send out guides as soon as possible. They have, again, only in Chinese. I won't send that to you because that will not just make everything more complicated. But I know they are working on to get the English PowerPoint explanation step by step how you actually what you do is you withdraw to your MetaMask. PUSD will be also being BNB chain. But here's the thing, when you then transfer from your MetaMask to Nivex, it becomes into Pop Chain. And this is a key thing because PUSD, what we know, has been an internal stable token in PopMax. Right now, it's upgraded. It becomes actually the native stable token of Pop Chain. So in the future, with our PUSD, you will be able to do a lot of things. You can sell, you can trade, you can do a lot of things, swap into other currencies, even swap the PUSD to USDT. But again, there's a timeline which I don't have information on right now. So just so you know, I want to give you all this information so no one needs to feel panic or anything. Allow it to take some time. Don't. I know a lot of people asking, how can I now restake, for example? Well, you cannot restake at the current stage with PUSD PPT. So the only way now to stake is put in USDT. And this is until further notice currently. There will become a lot of information the next coming days, just so you know. But besides that, I can also give you a highlight about the Bali event. It was a very, very successful. I think it was over 11 to 1200 people in the room, good energy. And one of the things we discussed here, actually on my presentation for everyone, is saying that POP token is now the, the Pop Chain's native token. Why is many people asking, why didn't they use PPT for transaction fees when they talked about? Well, actually it was not possible technically, and if you have a lot of projects out there who want to come into using Pop Chain, which we want, of course, that benefits all of us. They see that the price of PPT is very volatile like this, and it's not a good scenario. So the reason is here. Also another thing about that, PPT is already pre-minted. That means they're already on the market. And if you're going to run your own blockchain, you need miners, you need nodes and hash power to run the whole blockchain. That's why the only way they can do this correctly was actually to launch POP token. So POP token is not going to replace PPT. No. POP token is going to run and be the technical part of the blockchain, while PPT is a store of value, because still everything will happen accordingly and you can still use PPT for a lot of things. There's massive plans behind everything. I just wish I had more information to give you right now, but they say give it time, it will come more and more information to everyone, so you don't need to feel panic. Relax, continue do what you're doing, and this is going to be a fun ride for all of us. I keep you informed and send you more information as soon as I have. Okay? Have a good one. See you soon.
My advice and recommendation is that do not withdraw in PopMax just now. Okay? Leave whatever you have done. If you have moved your assets, which is your PUSD, to your asset wallet within your PopMax, leave it there. If you have not moved it, don't even touch it at all. Just let it be mining and earning for you for now, until everything becomes very clear how we are going to be able to move and swap our PUSD for PPT, and then able to withdraw our PPT, or even able to swap our PUSD for USDT. Please do not say I did not tell you. Don't withdraw, don't transfer anything. Allow your account to continue mining automatically for you until a clear information and steps and process has been developed. I will let you guys know, right? Don't complicate things. After watching this video and you still don't understand, don't touch your PopMax account. Just let it be mining on its own, right? That is the recommendation I am giving. Thank you. God bless.